Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to hide your last seen status on WhatsApp so you can control your privacy and keep your online presence more private. If you want to keep your last seen hidden from others, follow these easy steps to make sure no one can see when you were last active on WhatsApp. Step 1. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. You'll need to be logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with several options. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Privacy. This is where you can control who sees your personal information like your last seen, profile photo, and more. Step 4. Next, tap on Last Seen and Online. This section controls who can see when you were last active on WhatsApp and if you're currently online. Step 5. Finally, tap on Nobody. This will ensure that no one can see your last seen status. You'll be completely hidden and only you will know when you were last online. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your last seen on WhatsApp. Now no one will be able to track your activity. This is a great way to keep your WhatsApp experience more private. Remember, you can always change these settings back if you decide you want to share your last seen again in the future. Just follow the same steps and select a different option. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.